the Whitestone Dome Glass Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So I want to give a special shout out to Whitestone for sending this over. Let's dive right in. Whitestone Dome Glass for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Picture of the product itself along with the OnePlus 7 Pro. So you can see full screen protector, adhesive curing by UV light. Pretty crazy installation process. And this one says for full response, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. This is referring to the local adhesive that goes underneath the entirety of the tempered glass. So the glue here is not just on the edges, but it's underneath the entire thing. Very nice. And then on the back of the packaging, pause the video if you want to attempt to read all that. Put the box to the side, and as you can see, I already unboxed it off camera a little bit. So we'll just go through this. This is the UV light, Whitestone Dome Glass branding, so you can see. 6 LEDs on the bottom. Power cable for the aforementioned light. You get this little tab here, so you can see. A bridge. Instructions. Just gonna put that to the side. Done this often enough to know what I'm doing. And this is the phone itself where the Whitestone will go on. Love this phone. Put the phone to the side for now. And then this is the tray. 2 pieces. See the cutout right there on the tray on the bottom? That's how you know where to put the phone or how to put the phone on. And this is the local adhesive. You get 2. So just in case you mess up, you have an extra 1. And then over here, dust removal stickers. Put that to the side. Alcohol pads. Put that to the side. And these are stickers to cover the front earpiece. And then these are just foam pads to absorb any excess local. And then over here, these are the wipes to wipe down the phone with. And then this is the tempered glass itself, as you can see. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and breeze through the installation. I'm gonna speed up the video. Sit back, relax, enjoy. And we are done. So as you can see, I went a little crazy with the UV light. I went over the phone twice each time. So just want to make sure that the Loca is really cured. So let's just go ahead and have a look at the tempered glass. And try to focus in here. I don't know if you can see that, but clears the speaker right there. And then on the bottom, let's see if I can get, I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. And then right on the edge. And then I'm going to flip the phone over. And then I'm going to go like this so you can see right there. the tempered glass on top of the phone. So very low profile, not gonna add that much weight to your phone. So let's go ahead and turn the phone up. We'll test out the fingerprint scanner, etc. This phone already does have a fingerprint. So we'll see if it works with the tempered glass now or if I have to re-register it. We will see. Went ahead and put in my pattern and we are in. All right, let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint. Tap the screen once, there it is. Boom. Fingerprint still works. I did not have to re-register my fingerprint. And then we'll do it. And there it is. Works like a charm. And then let's go ahead and test out the touch responsiveness. You can see just going through my launcher here. Super smooth 90 Hertz display. And it works, as you can see. And then we'll go to drop down. Works. And right on the edge, you can see I have the touch point turned on in developer options, so you can see the white dot under my finger. I'm gonna go right at the edge and no issues. You can see the white dot right on the edge of the display. Do the same thing on this side. No issues. So you can see the white dot right there, right on the edge. So let's go ahead and test case compatibility. This is the official OnePlus case. We'll go ahead and put the phone in and let's go have a closer look. And I'm looking at it right now and yeah, no clearance issues or anything. No lifting of the glass screen protector. Yeah, this is compatible with the official OnePlus case. I do have also a Tech 21 case. So let's go ahead and test this out. Now go ahead and put the device in. And then let's have a look. And I'm not seeing any lifting of the protector at all. Works with this. Cool. And then we'll test the buttons. Yeah. No issues. And then, let's see. Let's do the fingerprint again. Didn't work that time. Let's see. Maybe just a one-off. There we go. It works. We'll do the volume rocker. And that works. I'm not seeing any lifting of the Whitestone at all. Cool. So this works with the Tech 21 case as well. So the Whitestone Dome glass, tempered glass screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you're interested in this, I'll put links in the description down below. And once again, shout out to Whitestone for sending this over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.